how to forget your Wi-Fi network on your Mac. You can click on Wi-Fi here at the top and then head to Wi-Fi settings from here, or you can simply click on your Mac settings here at the dock. Then select network from the list and you will see the first option, Wi-Fi. Click on it and our current Wi-Fi that we are connected to, it's at the very top. So if you want to forget the one you are connected to right now, just click details and then forget this network. It will ask you to confirm. If you click remove, it will be forgotten by your computer and you will need to join it manually and put the password again if you want to connect again. If you would like to forget a network that we are not actively connected, you can still find them on the list here in known networks. You will see those three dots. Click on that and you got option to forget this network. And that's all. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.